In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grok AI in Windows 11. Before we begin, make sure you're on a Windows 11 device with a stable internet connection and that you can sign in to the Microsoft Store. Using the store is the safest way to get the app because it verifies the source and handles updates for you. Start by opening the official Microsoft Store page for the Grok AI Windows app. You'll see it listed as GrowX, developed on XAI's Grok API. If you open the link in a web browser, choose the option to open it in the Microsoft Store app when prompted. In the store, double-check you're on the correct listing by glancing at the publisher name and the app description. This helps you avoid lookalikes. You can also review system requirements on that page to confirm your device is compatible. Next, click Install. Depending on your setup, the button may show Get First, then Install. If you're not already signed in, the store will ask you to log in before it starts the download. Give it a moment while it fetches the files. When the download completes, the store may finish the installation automatically, or it may prompt you to run a separate installer. If you see an installer window or a Windows security prompt, choose Yes to allow changes. Then follow the on-screen steps. Accept the license, keep the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them, and proceed. Installation time can vary with your internet speed and device performance, so be patient and avoid closing the window while it's working. When you reach the Finish or Close button, click it to wrap up. After installation, the app will appear in your Start menu. You can search for GrowX or Grok AI, then open it to confirm everything launched correctly. The first run might ask you to sign in or complete a brief setup inside the app. Just follow the prompts. For quick access later, right-click the app in the Start menu and pin it to your taskbar or Start. If you don't see the Install button, make sure Windows is up to date, you have enough storage space, and you're signed into the store. Restarting the Microsoft Store app or your PC can also resolve stuck downloads. That's it. You went to the official Microsoft Store page, clicked Install, and ran the installer when prompted. You're now ready to explore Grok AI on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new setup.